Hello, this is a quick video on how to set up and install your head mount distance sensor. What you will need is a distance sensor, head mount, one long M3 14mm screw, two short M3 8mm screws, two bolts and the add-on wire. Line up the sensor on the head mount like so, and screw it in with the bolt on the back. Once it's secure, we want to add the add-on cable like so. Take the top of the head off and install the add-on cable through this slot. When screwing on the head mount, we want to make sure that the distance sensor is facing outwards. The long screw should go in the hole with the extra bit plastic at the bottom. Add a bolt at the bottom to secure it. Then use the shorter screw to go through the other hole. Now that the sensor is firmly attached to the top, we want to remove the faceplate and plug the sensor into one of the B ports. Then close the head back up.